Hello friends, today we will see the installation process of Speedotrack fuel monitoring device on Borewell vehicle. So you can monitor the compressor status and everything. So before that, first we should have a look on the Speedotrack mobile application where you will see the vehicle details, the live tracking details, the playback details. You can just check the playback history of the vehicle with the location, all the locations the vehicle visited. Then you can go to the report section where you can download all kinds of reports. Suppose that fuel level graph we are generating for the vehicle. So you can see that the filling, you can see the graph level is increasing, that is the filling. You can also see the map view where you can see all the vehicles in one screen. Now we'll log into the Speedotrack web application. In the web application, in the web interface, you can see all the vehicles on the map with the details of all the vehicles. So this is our tracking platform, web tracking platform. So like this, you can see the current fuel level and the status of the vehicle, and then you can click on the show history button, so you can see the playback of the vehicle and the fuel level you can select. So here you can see the fuel filling with the location, date and time. Also, if there is any theft of the diesel, you can see the diesel theft on the fuel level graph. Now with the Speedotrack fuel monitoring solution, you will get the Speedotrack fuel monitoring device, IoT device. So the box consists of SIM card, Speedotrack IoT device, which is a GPS tracker in which the fuel sensor will be connected later. You'll get the relay socket and wiring harness for device. Now we'll see the wiring of the device for the Borewell vehicle. So our technician is inside the compressor. So we'll use the multimeter to check where we are getting the continuous power line. So after getting the proper continuous power line, we'll connect the device red wire to that wire and the ground, the black wire to the ground, body ground. And after that, we'll tie it up with the tie belt. After wiring, we'll connect the wiring harness, and you can see the green light is blinking, means the wiring is done. Now it is very important for the Borewell vehicle so that we can get the compressor status. When the compressor engine was turned on, turned off, so we'll connect to the alternator of the compressor engine. So this purple wire we are connecting to the alternator connector. So as soon as the compressor engine turns on, the alternator start generating the power. So we'll get the status of that. So as a fleet owner, you can get to know the status of the engine when it was turned on, turned off. For better performance, you can monitor that one. Now we'll install the fuel level sensor, but before that we have to cut the fuel sensor according to the tank depth. So the fuel sensor size is 1000 mm and we cut according to the tank depth, and then we scan with our Speedotrack mobile application and set the new empty points and the full point of the sensor. So we have filled the sensor with the diesel, and now on the mobile application we can check the status. When it will show the full level, then we will click on the full level value. Now we'll drain the fuel from the sensor. Now the sensor calibration process is complete after cutting the sensor. Now we'll drill a round circle on the tank 36 mm so that we can insert the fuel level sensor on the diesel tank. After that we will drill for all the screws. And before fixing the fuel level sensor, we will apply the gasket so that we have a proper installation and seal it properly. Now we'll apply the silicone paste so that it is sealed properly and there is no water loggage. And we'll tighten all the nuts on the fuel sensor. After fixing the fuel level sensor, now we'll drain the tank till empty, and we'll take 5 liters each time, pour into the diesel tank and take the reading. So like this we do the tank calibration, and the installation is now complete. Thank you.